Hey there, today I'm here to show you this arc floor lamp. This lamp is going to be perfect in the living room. It's fully dimmable, it has 3 different color settings, and it comes with a remote that's magnetic. So let's open this up and take a look. It's actually quite amazing that this large lamp can fit into this little box, but everything you need is right here. They have all the tools, and what you do is just twist it into place. And once you have the first rod into place, you can flip it over and use the wrench provided to tighten the bolt. Additionally, you can also pull in the cord, so if you have excess cord here at the top, you can pull it out a little bit. Once all the pieces are twisted together, you'll take the 2 little screws that they give you and just screw them in at the top 2 arch areas. The directions were super thorough and clear, so you have no question about what to do. The lampshade was also super easy to put together. You simply take these forms and clip them into the tiny clips around the edges, and it takes shape. Once you have it put together, then you're ready to put it onto the frame. To program the remote, you will need to hit the foot pedal on and then use the instructions provided to be able to link the remote with the lamp. This lamp is 6 feet 9 inches tall, so it's super tall and perfect if you need more of an overhead light. It looks great in any room. I used it in my living room, and now we have it in an office, and it really just elevates the space. The remote has different dimmable lighting settings for a leisure setting, reading, working, nightlight, and a baby setting for breastfeeding or maybe story time. It has a 350-degree adjustable lamp head, so you can really turn it or pivot it to fit your needs. The shade is gorgeous. It has a white woven pattern, so it can really fit into any room in any style. It does come with an LED light bulb, and it has multiple color settings. It goes from warm to a cool white, and it's a stepless color temperature, so it transitions very smoothly between each color. It dims from 5% all the way up to 100%, so you can have various lighting settings. Other features I loved are the weighted base. It's over 13 pounds, so it's very sturdy. It also has a great memory function where you turn the lighting off, and once you turn it back on, it will remember your settings from the previous time you used it. And lastly, the timer function is awesome because you can set a timer if you're going to fall asleep and it'll turn off automatically.